Hey everyone, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today I'm going to show you how you can play a harmless prank on a friend or coworker. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to mixstumble.com and you'll select this option at the top that says Tools. Now once you get on this page, we are going to scroll down just a little bit and we're going to choose this option that says Fake OS Loading Screens. So how this is going to work is we are going to turn either our computer screen or maybe a friend or coworker's computer screen into what appears to be a computer that's loading updates extremely slow. So we have Windows 7, we have Windows 10, and we have Windows 11. There is also a Mac update as well that you can create. Now from here you can select the duration. Right over here, you can play around with that. There's some other options at the bottom as well, and there's directions for this too. So how this is going to work is you're going to set this up either on your computer or on your coworker's computer. When they go to use their computer or when you go to your computer, you say, well, I can't do it, it's loading updates, when the reality is it's fine. You're just looking for a way to either buy some time for yourself or to play a fun joke on a friend, coworker, maybe even a parent. So let's try this. We are going to do the Windows 11 update. I'm going to put this, let's do kind of a longer update. I'm going to select Start. And what you'll see now in the center of the screen, that simulation is actually going to start. Now it will load how it says percentage. There we go. It went from 0% to 1%. So in this case, let's say I'm going to put this on my computer. I'm going to walk away. I'm going to tell my boss that I can't do any work because the updates are loading on my computer. Before I do that, I'll just want to select full screen. And there we go. I'm just going to leave this the way it is. Now, if someone didn't know any better, they would just think that my computer was updating when in reality, I'm just using that fake OS generator from mixstumble.com under Tools. So now to get out of it, exit full screen by selecting Escape. And now I'm done. So again, just some fun ways that you can create a fake operating system loading updates for your computer. Or again, I love this idea of playing jokes on a family member, a friend, or a coworker. Everything's available for free, mixstumble.com/tools. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if this is content that you really enjoy, it would be awesome if you could subscribe or leave a super thanks.